Video I will teach you how to speak English alone. Everybody wants to speak English alone because they don't have friends that can speak English. In this video I will teach you step by step to learn English alone. Let's get started. Improving speaking alone is possible. If you use the right methods, you can improve your speaking. Here are some powerful tips for you. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day. I am brushing my teeth. Now, I am eating breakfast. Hear your thoughts aloud. Today, I feel happy because I studied well. This helps your tongue and brain get comfortable forming English sentences. Shadowing method. Play a short English video, news, movie scene, or podcast. Repeat immediately after the speaker, copying their speed, tone, and accent. This builds fluency and natural pronunciation. In the third step, record your voice. Choose a topic like my favorite food. Record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes. Listen again and notice mistakes, grammar, pronunciation, and pauses. Over time, your speaking will sound more natural. Now, in the fourth step, daily topics practice. Pick one topic every day and speak for 3 to 5 minutes. For example, my family, my hobbies, my future dreams, shopping experience. This makes your vocabulary strong and reduces hesitation. Think in English. Don't always translate from Urdu, Punjabi, and English. Train your brain to think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, मुझे भूख लगी है, I am hungry, just think directly, I am hungry. Use a mirror. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. Pretend you are speaking to another person. This boosts confidence and body language. Read aloud. Take an English book, news, article, or story. Read aloud with clear voice. This improves pronunciation, speed, and confidence. If you practice 15 to 20 minutes daily, in 2-3 months, your speaking will improve a lot, even without a partner. I have also arranged a plan of 30 days for you. Let's make a 30-day speaking practice plan that you can follow step by step. This plan is designed so you can practice alone without needing a partner. 30-day English speaking plan. In the first week, build confidence. Basic English sentences. For example, introduce yourself, your name, your age, your hobbies. In the second day, talk to your family. In the third day, describe your room or house. In the fourth day, talk about your favorite food. In the fifth day, describe your daily routine. In the sixth day, speak about your best friend. In 7th day, record yourself and listen. Goal. Speak simple sentences without fear. In the next week, daily life conversations. Describe going on shopping. It is in the 8th day. You can also describe other things. In the 9th day, talk about your school, college, and work. In 10th day, describe a recent day you enjoyed. In the 11th day, talk about weather and other things like that are related to weather. In the 12th day, talk about your hobbies. In the 13 days, describe your city or village. In the 14th day, record yourself telling a short story. Goal. In this week, we should have a goal like expand vocabulary for daily topics. In the third week, we will improve our fluency and thinking in English. In 15th day, you have to talk about your future dreams. In the 16th day, you have to describe a festival like Eid, or we have many festivals in our countries. We can also describe our festivals. In 17th days, describe about your favorite movie or book. In 18th day, talk about a memorable trip. You have gone to many places, then describe your memorable trip. In 19th days, describe your opinion like is mobile good or bad? You can give some opinions about things like mobile, video, movies. In 20th day, we will practice shadowing. Repeat after a video. You can watch a YouTube video and repeat it. In 21 days, record yourself for 3 minutes without stopping. In that week, we should have this goal: speak longer without translating from Urdu or Punjabi. In the next week, we are in the 4th week. In this week, we will build our confidence and fluency. In 22 days, talk about your role model. You have many role models. You can talk about your role models. I have a role model like Qaid Asam. In 23 days, you can describe your dream job. In 24 days, speak about health and exercise. In 25 days, give advice to someone how to study well. In 26 days, tell a short, imaginary short story. In 27 days, talk about current news, current affairs. We have a lot of current affairs in our countries. In 28 days, a debate with yourself. Choose one topic, argue for and against. In 29 days, record a 5-minute talk on any topic. Now, we are in 30 days. In this day, we shall do. It is the best way to learn English. Revive your progress and repeat 1 to see improvement. In this week, we have a goal: speak naturally with confidence, like you are talking to a friend. Now, extra daily habits: talk to yourself in English 5 to 10 minutes, read aloud 1 page from a book or article, learn 5 to 10 new words daily, shadow 2 to 3 minutes of a video. I have worked so hard to make this video. Please give us a like. If you are new here, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I am also learning, I am improving myself day by day. If I can do, you can also do. Best of luck with good wishes. Thank you so much.